Have you ever wondered what our world looks like from hundreds of kilometers above? From space, borders disappear and humanity appears as one. But sometimes, a single point of light can shine brighter than anything else, carrying a story of faith, history, and unity. Today, we re-journey into orbit to see one of the most incredible images ever captured from the International Space Station, a picture that touched the hearts of millions around the globe. This is the story of how astronaut Donal Pettit showed us a view of Makkah, Islam's holiest city, in a way we've never seen before. Donal Pettit isn't just an astronaut. He's a scientist, an inventor, and an incredibly talented photographer. He's spent over a year of his life living and working in space across multiple missions. From his vantage point on the International Space Station, or ISS, he has a window to the most breathtaking views imaginable. While many of us are used to seeing photos of swirling clouds, sprawling cities, and vast oceans, Pettit has a knack for capturing moments that reveal something deeper about our planet and ourselves. He's photographed everything from colossal lightning storms erupting over continents to the ethereal glow of the aurora borealis dancing across the atmosphere. His camera is his tool for sharing the awe-inspiring experience of spaceflight with all of us back on Earth. In 2024, during another long-duration mission aboard the ISS, Pettit aimed his lens at a site that holds profound significance for nearly 2 billion people. As the space station soared at an incredible speed, about 400 kilometers above the Arabian Peninsula, he captured a photograph that would soon go viral. He shared it on the social media platform X with a simple yet powerful caption describing the view. The image was of Makkah, the spiritual heart of the Islamic world. And what he captured left everyone speechless. In the photograph, the city of Makkah appears as a brilliant burst of light against the dark desert landscape. It's a radiant cluster, a beacon shining in the night. But what truly makes this image so extraordinary is what lies at its very center. There, unmistakable even from orbit, is a point of intense, pure light. This is Masjid al-Haram, the Grand Mosque, and at its heart, the Holy Kaaba. The image is so clear that you can distinguish the central courtyard from the surrounding city lights. It's a celestial view of a terrestrial sanctuary, a place of pilgrimage for millions now seen from the heavens. The photograph immediately sparked a wave of wonder and emotion online. It was shared millions of times, with people from all walks of life expressing their amazement. For Muslims around the world, the image was deeply moving. It was a confirmation of the city's spiritual radiance, a visual representation of its importance. Many described feeling a profound spiritual connection, seeing their holiest site shining brightly from a perspective once reserved for the divine. Comments poured in, with people calling it a miracle, a blessing, and a sign from God. The image transcended language and culture, becoming a global symbol of faith and unity. This raised a fascinating question: how can the Kaaba, a relatively small stone structure, be so visible from space? After all, massive ancient wonders like the Great Wall of China or the Pyramids of Giza are famously difficult, if not impossible, to see with the naked eye from orbit. So what makes Makkah and the Kaaba different? The answer lies in the brilliant fusion of faith and modern technology. Masjid al-Haram is illuminated by a powerful system of floodlights. These lights are incredibly bright, designed to keep the sacred site illuminated day and night for the millions of worshippers who visit. This constant, intense illumination makes the mosque a beacon of light that stands out dramatically against the surrounding landscape, especially at night. When the ISS passes over, its high-sensitivity cameras are able to capture this concentrated light with remarkable clarity. The light doesn't just illuminate the area. It reflects off the white marble floors of the courtyard and the structure itself, creating a halo effect that's easily detectable from space. So it's not the physical size of the Kaaba that makes it visible, but the immense light energy that emanates from it. Donal Pettit, with his expertise in low-light photography and his high-tech equipment, was perfectly positioned to capture this phenomenon. He managed to frame the shot in a way that emphasized the Kaaba as the focal point, the glowing heart of the city. This isn't the first time an astronaut has photographed Makkah, but Pettit's 2024 image is arguably one of the clearest and most impactful ever taken. His skill as a photographer is undeniable. Over the years, he has compiled a massive collection of space photographs, each one a work of art. He's famous for his star trail images, created by taking long exposure shots from the moving space station, which turn stars into beautiful, curving streaks of light. He has also captured rare phenomena like transient luminous events, sprites and elves, which are massive electrical discharges that occur high above thunderstorms. His work is a blend of science and art, providing valuable data for researchers while also inspiring a sense of wonder in the general public. The MAKKAH photograph, however, holds a special place in his portfolio. It's more than just a technically brilliant shot, it's a cultural and emotional touchstone. It demonstrates how space exploration can connect with us on a deeply personal and spiritual level. From the cold, silent vacuum of space, Pettit was able to capture a symbol of warmth, community, and devotion. The image serves as a powerful reminder that while we may be separated by vast distances, we are all connected by our shared human experiences, including faith. It highlights how our beliefs and our creations can literally light up the world, sending a signal of our presence out into the cosmos. In a world often filled with division, this single photograph became a unifying force. It brought people together in shared admiration and reflection. It wasn't about politics or borders. It was about a shared sense of humanity and the ability to find beauty and meaning in unexpected places. For many, it reinforced the idea that faith is a guiding light, visible even from the heavens. Pettit himself, in sharing the image, acted as a bridge between the scientific world of space exploration and the spiritual world of billions of believers on the ground. His work reminds us of the unique perspective that astronauts have. They see Earth not as a collection of countries, but as a single, fragile planet. They witness its beauty and its vulnerability firsthand. This perspective, often called the overview effect, is known to have a profound psychological impact on astronauts, fostering a deep sense of connection to the planet and all of humanity. Through his photographs, Donal Pettit shares a piece of that overview effect with us. He allows us to see our world through his eyes, to appreciate its wonders, and to reflect on our place within the vastness of the universe. The story of this photograph is a testament to the power of a single image to inspire, unite, and move us. It's a beautiful intersection of technology, human ingenuity, and timeless faith. It shows that even as we reach for the stars, our hearts and minds are often drawn back to the places on Earth that give us meaning and purpose. But as a symbol of hope, and a reminder of the light that connects us all, visible from anywhere, even from a window, 400 kilometers above the world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey from the International Space Station. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe,